do freestyle on this. Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing really good. This is my Christmas video, so stick around. I got some Christmas wishes for you guys, and I'll probably get some drone shots, and hope everybody has a good Christmas. Well, you guys, welcome to another video. I hope everybody's doing good. This is pretty much my Christmas video. Today is I think it's the 19th or 20th. 19th, I think. So yeah, this is going to be my Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I'm trying to get up to the tower that's up top of this little mountain. This is one of the smaller mountains in my area. So yeah, it really warms a guy's heart to come up here. This is where I grew up riding with my dad and all of our family friends, and you know, I've been up here for so long I can't even remember that long ago. But yeah, it's really nice to see all the old trails, and this winter has been just crazy. It's, if you can believe it, I think it's sitting at about +7 degrees last night and today. Like, we should be buried in snow up here in the mountains. And yeah, these are fun chicanes, I guess. Cool trails. This is cool, you guys. Check this out. I gotta be doing this again. Been a while since I've been up here. There's all kinds of little hills and trails and fun things like this. Check this out. See if I can wheelie this again like I just did. It came off a little bit. That's cool though. Ah, burrs. Yikes, one caught me. Hate those things. You guys have those kind at your riding areas? These trails, you can see, I don't know if this one's going to come to an ending or not. Actually, I made that trail, I'm not kidding you guys, over 30 years ago I made that little trail. It used to be just a single track, now quads go up it. This is the main road that we always used to go up here on my old CR 500. I remember that rock. Oh man, I can't believe they cleared it all up in here. Uh-oh, no, I see a log. Yeah, all these hills I made, crazy, hey? Look at those. I'd have to try those. Oh my goodness, you guys, talk about bring back feelings and memories and stuff. Like, where did you guys learn to ride your dirt bikes? Do you still get to go there? Let me know in the comments. Like, I literally was probably, I wasn't even 10 years old. I was probably 5 or 6 or 7, you know, in those years. And I'll bike this high following my dad up these roads. And when you're little like that, these mountains are like Mount Everest. Like, it's a big deal. Wow. I just cannot believe there's hardly any snow up here at the end of December, or close to it. Yeah, so the road went that. Oh, I see what they did. Loving these roads, you guys. Loving it. You guys remember all those riding lessons I did on my channel? If you guys, in particular, the hill climbing episodes in riding lessons playlists, well, I'm about to put most of those tips I gave you guys to the test. This hill's pretty gnarly when it's muddy and snowy. You'll see what I mean here in a second. And there's no turning back. Once you commit to it, it's a fairly big hill. Oh, it is a little bit snowy too. Yeah, it's got crazy gnarly ruts. Oh, someone's got a big long one up the middle there that looks a little more... Actually, no. We got the skills. Let's go for it. What the heck? It's Christmas. Holy bedrock, or boulders. Uh-oh, rut. Oh, pure mud. Ah! We got her done, but gross. and I wasn't gonna get my bike dirty. Oh well. Yeah, that got a little squirrely quickly. Nice. The motos came through for me though. Gotta be honest. I'm just covered, I bet. Yeah, well. Well, you guys, it looks like I made it to the top of this smaller mountain. I forget which roads to use nowadays. Kids got so many trails. But yeah, there's kind of a big radio tower type thing up here I was hoping to get up to, and looks like I'll be able to get to it. Want to run my drone around here, and I'll leave you guys with some nice drone shots of my sleepy little town I live in. I was hoping the sun would break out, but it's very close to breaking out, but it's kind of overcast, so I don't think it's quite gonna happen, but yeah, nice. Here's Saul. Here, let me look over this way. I'll show you the radio tower. It's right up there. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's a nice lookout place up here, so I'll get some drone shots and I'll leave you guys with that for the Christmas video. Hey you guys, Merry Christmas from HEDDLETOWN's Enduro Ride. I'd like to thank each and every one of you guys for sticking around on my YouTube channel. So have a good Christmas. I'm going to work on my bike here and see if I can get it running. Do freestyle on this. Merry Christmas. So yeah, there's the big old tower. Pretty cool. We climbed up that thing when we were young. Yeah, I know it's stupid, but when you're young, things you do, I guess. Yeah, it's kind of a cool vantage point here. So yeah, I'm going to close out the video, you guys. Definitely have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and all those good things. I'd like to thank everybody for, you know, checking out my YouTube channel and dropping comments and likes and all that stuff. That means a lot. I'm definitely not going to slow down with YouTube. I'm going to try and get better every year at it. So thanks for checking it out, you guys. If you're not subscribed, that little red button like that down below, hit that, because I got lots coming for the future. And drop a like, and below the description there, that's got all my social media links if you guys are curious about the other stuff I do. So yeah, check that out. Patreon's down there too if you guys want to check that out. That's just a way to help out. I'm trying to grow the channel, and of course it takes good cameras, good bikes, good everything. So it's just a way to help out. I will see you guys next year. Have a good one. Thanks, you guys.